Feeling cold will make you feel warm. Feeling hot, it will cool you down. Feeling alone, it will accompany you. It's always there to cheer you. All the tea lovers can relate to the fact that I just have said. Tea is not just a beverage, it's a feeling, as refreshing as a walk in a calm, scenic place, as exciting as receiving a good news. Tea is native of China, but India is the largest producer, consumer, and exporter of tea. Tea is a nature's gift given to us that contains all the nature elements in it: earth, water, fire, air, and space. How? Let's dig into the process of tea plantation to final cup of tea. The site of planting tea is flat land or gentle slope, near to water source, easily accessible by road. The temperature may vary from 16 degrees to 320 degrees, but there should be 80% atmospheric humidity always. Rainfall should be 125 to 150 centimeter, well distributed over 8 to 9 months in a year. Very dry atmosphere is not good for tea. The tea plants can be propagated by seeds or by the cuttings. Seeds collected from the fruits, berries, are soaked in water, and the heavy seeds are used for the sowing. Germination occurs in 30 days, and at that stage they are carefully lifted and transplanted in polythene sleeves. They will be ready for planting in 9 months. Plucking consists of harvesting 2-3 leaves and a bud. It is the most laborious intensive operation in a tea industry and also decides the yield and the quality of made tea. Manufacturing of tea involves following steps: withering, rolling, fermentation, then drying and grading of tea. So this much is done to make you a cup of perfect tea. Saswata teas are pure from the lap of nature to give you the best experience in your cup of tea. Because a good cup of tea makes you feel better. People say tea, we say positivity.